how to correctly pay a car loan with a credit card. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to correctly pay a car loan with a credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, find out if your car loan lender allows payments with a credit card. Most lenders don't allow it directly, so you may need a third party service like Plastic to process the payment for you. Make sure your credit card has a high enough limit to cover the payment without maxing it out. Keeping your credit card balance low is important to avoid negatively affecting your credit score. There are two fees to watch for. Processing fees from third party services, which can be around 5 to 3%. Interest fees if you don't pay off the card balance in full or don't have a 0% EPRA offer. If you're going to pay with a credit card, try using a rewards card to earn cashback or points, or use a card with a 0% EPRA offer to avoid interest. Don't forget to track both your car loan and credit card due dates to avoid late fees and protect your credit score. That's all